Let's be honest. How much time have you wasted overthinking something that never even happened? You're lying in bed, staring at the ceiling, replaying a conversation you had earlier, dissecting every little detail for the hundredth time. Sound familiar? That's overthinking. Here's the thing, it happens to everyone. But here's the good news, you don't have to stay trapped in this loop forever. Today, we are going to dig into why we overthink, how it affects us, and most importantly, how to break free from it for good. So, why do we do this? One word, fear. Fear of failing, fear of making a mistake, fear of what people might think. Your brain convinces you that if you analyze everything, you'll avoid messing up. But all it really does is make simple problems feel huge and overwhelming. Then there's perfectionism. Who hasn't spent hours tweaking and working something to make it just right? Here's a little spoiler, perfection doesn't exist. Chasing it just keeps you locked in the cycle of overthinking. Overthinking is more than just a time waster, it's a thief. It steals your time, your energy, and your peace of mind. Ever spent 30 minutes deciding what to eat and ended up frustrated, reaching for cereal because you couldn't decide? That's overthinking in action. It also paralyzes you. You spend so much time weighing every option that you end up doing nothing. And that's not just frustrating, that's exhausting. Alright, let's talk about solutions. How do we break out of this endless cycle of overthinking? The first step is to notice when it's happening. If you catch yourself replaying the same thought, pause and say, wait, I'm overthinking. Just naming it can help you step out of the spiral. Instead of asking what could go wrong, flip it around and ask what's the best that could happen. The small shift can completely change your perspective and break the negative cycle. Overthinking thrives on inaction. The best way to stop it? Do something, anything. Stuck making a decision? Set a 5-minute timer, pick an option, and commit. Remember, action beats perfection every time. Ask yourself, is this even true? A lot of overthinking is based on assumptions or fears, not facts. When you question those thoughts, you take away their power. Overthinking loves to live in the past or the future. Bring yourself back to now. Take a deep breath, go for a walk, or focus on one simple task in front of you. Here's a tough truth, you're going to make mistakes, but that's okay. Mistakes are how we learn. Instead of aiming for perfect, aim for progress. Done is always better than perfect. Give yourself permission to think about something for a set amount of time and then move on. For example, I'll spend 10 minutes on this decision and then I'm done. It sounds simple, but it works. Here's the thing, life doesn't demand perfect decisions, it requires action. Overthinking doesn't solve problems, it creates them. Real power comes from letting go, trusting yourself, and taking the first step forward. So, next time you catch yourself stuck in an overthinking loop, pause, take a deep breath. Remind yourself you're not your thoughts, you're the one in control. Overthinking might feel like a habit you can't break, but you absolutely can. Start small, recognize the pattern, flip your mindset, and most importantly, be kind to yourself. Because we all tend to be harder on ourselves than we need to be. If this resonates with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and share it with someone who could use a little help breaking free from their overthinking cycle. Let's stop overthinking and start living. See you in the next one.